Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, the King of How To. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a cork protective board for around your dartboard. I got sick and tired of people missing the dartboard and creating a whole bunch of holes in my wall. So I created this protective board that it's nice and easy to make, doesn't take too long, and it looks great. And you can make any design that you would like. As you see here, I originally started without any kind of a background on my board, and if we come closer you'll be able to see all the holes that people put in over time on my wall because they couldn't hit the dartboard. Our next step is to trace out the outline of the dartboard onto our backboard here. I got this from the dollar store. It's one of those thin foam boards. You can get any color that you would like. So I'm going to trace the board around and then I'm going to cut it out. Once I have my hole cut out and I double checked that my board fits inside, I'm going to get ready to prep the corks for gluing down the pattern. Our next step is to cut the corks in halves. On my design I have some full ones and some that are cut in half to give it a different texture. So I'm going to cut these in half. So we're going to use the X-Acto knife. I'm going to be careful so I don't cut my hand. Okay, now we have two halves and I'm going to do this enough pieces to complete my whole board. Now, I already did a lot of the gluing on the board, but all I did, I used the glue gun. I put a good amount of hot glue on the cork and I stuck it in place. I did this for the whole board. It takes a little bit of time, but if you come up with a good design or use the same one like I did, I'll give the specs in the comments in the description below, and I will show you a close-up of this shortly. Now we have the final product here. I'm going to show you the close-up of my design. And like I mentioned before, I'll put the dimensions in the description of how big I actually made this board. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.